Hi boys and girls. Today we're working with long I words. Long I says its name, I. We are going to fill in the missing letters to make a long I word and then rewrite the word. I can see in our picture we have a bowl of rice. Please finger stretch rice with me. I-S, rice. I-S. And the I is saying its name because it has a silent, bossy E at the end. Long vowel, silent E. Please write the word rice in your best handwriting. I-S. Long vowel, silent E. Our next word is a pair of dice. Finger stretch, dice. D-I-S, dice. D-I-S. Silent E at the end makes that I say I. Long vowel, silent E. Please write dice in your best handwriting. I like to draw the gesture to help me remember the pattern. Our next word, it's a picture of a pipe. Finger stretch pipe, P-I-P, pipe, P-I-P. Our pattern is one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end, pipe. Please write pipe, P-I-P, pipe. Our next picture is a picture of wipe. W-I-P, wipe. W-I-P. Silent E makes the I say I. Wipe. Please write wipe in your best handwriting. Long vowel, silent E. We have a file in our next picture. File, finger stretch, file. F-I-O, file. F-I-O, file. Please write file in your best handwriting. F-I-O, file. Then we have a picture of a person taking a dive into the pool. Dive, finger stretch, dive. D-I-V, dive. D-I-V. Silent E makes that I say I. D-I-V. One vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. Next we have a tire. T-I-R, tire. T-I-R, tire. Please write tire in your best handwriting. T-I-R, tire. Our next picture you're going to do on your own. It is fire. F-I-R, fire. Please write the sounds you hear and write fire in your best handwriting. Our last one you're also going to do alone, and it is first prize. P-R-I-Z, prize. Please write the sounds for prize. P-R-I-Z, and write prize in your best handwriting. All right, on this side, we're still working with long I words, but now this time we have a word box at the top. Let's read the words in our word box. Our first word is vine. V-I-N, vine. I see my long vowel silent E pattern. Our next word is fire. F-I-R. Fire. Long vowel, silent E. Rise. R-I-Z. Rise. Like in the morning with the sunrise. One vowel, one consonant, and an E at the end. That silent E makes I say I. Then we have tide, like the ocean tide. T-I-D. Our next word is bike. B-I-K. Bike. One vowel, one consonant, with an E at the end. Dive. D-I-V. Dive. Pipe. P-I-P. Pipe. Kite. K-I-T. Kite. And file. F-I-O. File. So I'm going to start with my first word. The word is vine. V-I-N. So I'm going to write vine underneath the matching picture. I remember that that I is saying its name because that silent E at the end. I like to cross off the words as I go, so I crossed off vine. Our next word is fire. F-I-R. F-I-R. Fire. Long vowel, silent E. Cross off the word when I'm done. Then our next together we'll do rise. R-I-Z with a sunrise. I can see the sun rising in the sky. R-I-Z. Even though it sounds like a Z, it's an S. Rise. Last one together, tide. T-I-D. Tide. And that is down here with our picture of our ocean with the ocean tide. I see our pattern, one vowel, one consonant with a silent E at the end. Tide. You're going to finish reading the words and writing them under the matching picture. Way to go.